Let's see, cold start in a gym? Probably not.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
Ladies and gentlemen, ignore the air compressors in the back. That's because, well, Dodge Demon is on bags. But today we are going to be servicing the Dodge Demon 170 for the recall. Yes, there's a recall on the Dodge Demon 170. I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory. So I've raced my car, I've had no issues. Then there was like the gapping issue, so I took my car to get gapped, and I feel like my car was slower when the gaps were fixed. Maybe that's just me. I noticed a difference, especially like at the top end. So then now Dodge is saying there's a whole spark plug recall on every single Dodge Demon that was ever made. So all 3300 or 3317 or whatever the total is, because there's more than 3300 because some gets to like executives and stuff like that. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So this car is completely stock. Now, yes, it has carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk. It's on 15s. It's got 15-inch conversion in the front and the back. It's completely stock though. So I keep up on my oil changes. I always have the dealer do it, obviously, because, well, I'm trying to keep my warranty. And it's on bags, blah, blah, blah. So the weird thing is that you have to, I had to drive my car over there, and then they had to look at the block to make sure that, like, just to make sure that my block was the right block in my car. Super strange. So then they ordered the spark plug, so that's what we're going to get done right now. And then I'm just going to have them check over everything. People have been having some drive shaft issues, some axle issues, so I'm just going to have them do a whole look over, because if you guys don't know, I'll be racing at Texas 2K at the event, and then hopefully we will see some action somewhere else besides at the track. So that's kind of my game plan. I just want to make sure everything is good to go. I run straight E85 in this. I have since the day I bought it, because I already knew switching from premium to E85, especially on a stock tune, is probably not the best thing for a car. So even though you have to get more frequent oil changes with E85, I do my oil changes pretty frequently anyways, just because I race it, and that's what you should do. So I stay up on all my maintenance on this car. So we're gonna head over to Texas Dodge, and let's go over there and get this fixed. And also, so just so you guys know, yes, the airbag light is on, but that's because I took the seat belts and everything out of that. There's a little thing that I need to put in before 2K, and obviously I have the tire pressure sensor because, well, I didn't put tire pressure sensors in my drag race wheels. But I love the way this car, though, sounds at downshifts. This is stock. Like, obviously I have the exhaust, you know, off, but it's actually dumb how good this car sounds. So I love this car a lot. I've had no issues, knock on wood. But I'll give you guys a little rip. I'll give you guys a little one. It's just so violent. One more before we get to the dealer. Hold on. Got to love it, boys! This car is, oh, I love it. It's so stupid. And And I can just beat the shit out of it because it has a warranty. So, shout out Dodge. So, we're Texas Dodge pulling up. We're going to go get this bad boy fixed. And then I'll let you guys know what they find afterwards because I'm always interested in that kind of stuff. I'm gonna wait for this Corvette. He's going kind of fast. I might just pull up next to him. We'll see. See if I can. Is it a regular Corvette? I don't know. Golly! Jesus. Okay. All right. I think spark plugs are, I think we're good to go. This car I love so much. Oh my God. Lord, I don't know how this car came from the factory like it did. Look at a little rip. Woo! I just went fucking sideways. God damn. Holy shit. Alright, let's give you guys a view. Let's see if it shoots me back in the seat. I don't know. I don't need to go 20 miles an hour though. Let's see. Stupid. This car is dumb as hell, I swear to God. This sounds so good though. Everyone who watches this video, you need to go find someone who has a Dodge Demon 170, okay? Just go see if they'll take you around for a ride in it. This car is stupid. It's dumb. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do one more rip. This is so dumb. This car feels great. Obviously, it's just my butt telling me it feels great, but we'll see. So yeah, let's go do one more rip for you guys. You guys deserve it, you know? We're like barely even pressing the goddamn gas. I love how high this revs, like it just hangs. I love that. Let me give you guys a little rip. So one more time. God, that just spun the entire time. This car. I love this car so much. I love it. Like, part of me wants to tune it, you know, and so it could be faster, and then the other part of me is like, for what? There's no point. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, we can do one more rip. Hold on. So I'll go. It's so stupid. Oh my God, this is great. Pure enjoyment. Also, anybody who isn't sure about doing a 15-inch conversion on their Hellcat, Demon, whatever, do it. The TBM brakes I actually really like. I had the other version on my old Hellcat, the TCE, because that was the only brand available. And I will tell you, these are lighter, and I don't personally notice a difference as far as braking goes. I enjoy them a lot. And no, I'm not sponsored by TBM, but they do make really amazing brakes. So if you need a set, I would do it. This person riding my ass. All right, good luck. God, just all over the place. Just spin, spin, spin. Like we're playing the fucking lottery. Oof. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Also, that's my gym. If you don't know me, I own that gym right there. So we're gonna go park this inside because we got a car show and we're donating some coats tomorrow. So I try and stay active in my community, not like any of you guys who watch this care, but I try and stay pretty active in my community. So we're doing a coat drive tomorrow since it's cold as hell in Amarillo. So, and if you've never been in my gym before, we have a giant hangar door. Yellow Demon's over there. We got some new tents for 2K. Hopefully going to be going to Mopar Heaven too, but I won't bring those. But yeah, so we're going to go park this and then, yeah.